Hi everyone, here is Andrea Angella, and in this video I'd like to talk about the is expression with pattern matching in C#7 and how it can be used to replace the as pattern. So I have a console application that contains a class called shape and square and circle that inherits from shape, and I have a method area that returns the area of the shape. As you can see, we are using the as operator to cast shape to a square first, and if the cast is successful, we return the area of the square. If shape is not a square, we try to cast it to circle, and if it succeeds, we return the area of the circle, otherwise we throw an exception. And the program is simply creating a square and circle and printing the area to the screen. And I can show you what it prints. So the square area is 100 and the circle area is 314, and so. Right, so what the as keyword does is basically try to cast the shape into a particular type, and this operator returns null if shape is not of type square, for example. If it's different than null, it means the square actually is a square, so it's actually being created. Okay, so how can I replace this with the is? So what I can do is I can do if shape is square, and this is something you could do in C# even before C#7. What C#7 added is the ability to add a pattern matching. So square is a pattern matching. So if shape is of type square, create a new variable called square that I can use afterwards. So here what I could do, I could just do return and remove this block of code. So this is basically equivalent to what we had before, but you can do that with a single line of code. And similar here, you can do if shape is circle, and you can do the same return. So basically, you've changed this method with two ifs. One is check if it's square and circle, and then returns the actual area. If I run the program, the result should be the same. And this is basically it. And is quite good. This expression is now better than it was before, and it's a good practice now from C#7 to use is instead of as for these kind of scenarios.